The NVIDIA AI Denoiser uses artificial intelligence to guess what the image should look like without the noise. It does so really fast, and that's why it's great for look development. To use it, simply add a V-Ray Denoiser render element and scroll down to choose the NVIDIA AI Denoiser. Keep in mind that it only works with NVIDIA GPUs. Now in the V-Ray Settings tab, you can set the post-effects rate to 100 so that the denoiser will update as often as possible. This will give you a very fast noise-free preview so that you can work much more quickly. Okay, let's start an IPR to see how our scene looks. You can now start to apply materials to your liking for all the objects in the scene. Simply right-click on an object in the render, and you can get its material to edit it. I'll add a few custom materials here myself so that you can see how the denoiser can speed up your workflow. Note that we recommend using the NVIDIA AI Denoiser with IPR rendering and for look dev only, since the AI Denoiser doesn't provide a 100% consistent result. This is because in order to save time, it approximates what your image should look like. It also doesn't work well for animations and scenes with lens effects from the VFB. This is why when you're ready to do a production render, we'd recommend switching back to the default V-Ray Denoiser.